Welcome students. Today we will be learning perimeter. So perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. So for any two-dimensional shape, its perimeter is equal to sum of its sides. Suppose for a rectangular field, the length is 10 meter and the breadth is 5 meter. Calculate its perimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times of its length plus breadth, that is 2 multiplied by 10 plus 5 here, that is equal to 30 meter. Let's go for some examples. Example 1. The lengths of 3 sides of a quadrilateral are 20.6 cm, 32.7 cm and 5.2 cm. If the perimeter of the quadrilateral is 66.9 cm, then what is the length of the fourth side? We know that perimeter of the quadrilateral is equal to sum of 4 sides of the quadrilateral. So perimeter of the quadrilateral is equal to sum of the 3 given sides of this quadrilateral plus the unknown fourth side. So 66.9 cm, this is the perimeter of the quadrilateral, is equal to 20.6 cm, that is the first side, the second side plus the third side plus the unknown fourth side. So we can write 66.9 cm and adding up these three, 58.5 cm plus the fourth side. Solving the equation, we are getting the fourth side is equal to 8.4 cm. Another example. What is the cost of fencing a park of sides 85 meter length and 50 meter breadth at the rate of AED 12 per meter? To find the cost of fencing the land, we have to find out the perimeter of the park. The perimeter of the park we know, that is 2 times of its length plus breadth, that is equal to 2 multiplied by, here the length and breadth 85 plus 50 is equal to 135 meter. So we know the cost of fencing of the park, that is AED 12 per meter. So cost of fencing this 135 meter perimeter, that is the boundary of the park, is equal to AED 135 multiplied by 12, that is AED 1620. So the cost of fencing the park is AED 1620. Let's go for another example. The perimeters of a square and a rectangle are equal. If the length of the rectangle is 10 cm and its breadth is 8 cm, then what is the length of each side of the square? We know that the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times of its length plus breadth. So here it would be 2 multiplied by 10 plus 8, that is 36 meter. Now we know the perimeters of the square and the rectangle are equal. Therefore perimeter of the square is also 36 meter, that is the perimeter of the rectangle. But perimeter of the square we know that 4 multiplied by the length of one side. So we can write that the side of the square is equal to perimeter divided by 4, that is 36 divided by 4, that means 9 cm. Hence the length of each side of the square is 9 cm. So today we are learning the perimeter. In the next class we will be learning something else.